we were seeing the success through the great reviews we were having. We were having, industry sometimes beating loss ratios as well due to the technology we've created that help with monitoring and preventing fraud as well. And so that was all something that we started to realize could be very easily, portable to other markets. And it actually started inbound interest from outside of the United States with InsurTechs or insurance companies, folks in the fintech space that were actually reaching out saying, hey, in our market, we don't have warranties really. We don't have device insurance programs, phone insurance programs, or it's such a new part of our industry. And the couple of people that have tried to do it, it's, failed pretty poorly because of, crazy loss ratios going out of control.